Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close SBI credit cards. So as per the latest guidelines of the YouTube, I should not show directly how to close. So I will tell you the procedure. You can follow this procedure and you can close your SBI credit card. First of all, you should download SBI cards app. You must log in. After logging in, you should not have outstanding balance in your credit card. If there is no outstanding balance, then at the bottom you can find that services option. In that services option, go to card closure request. After clicking on card closure request, you should select your card. If you have multiple cards, you can select your card or you can select your card there. After that, they will give you some offers to cancel this request. If you select any option, then you cannot close your card. So simply skip offers and click on next. Next, it will ask you to select time and date so that the customer care person will contact you to confirm that the card closure. After a successful call from the customer care, your credit card will be successfully cancelled. Thank you for watching my video, friends.